Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about CapCut and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of CapCut. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.